Okay, mount your camera on a tripod. Use portrait mode. Record an empty background for a few seconds. Then you walk in. Do as if something is disturbing your head, something is troubling your head. Then after that, you bend your head for some time, alright? You can wait for a few seconds or few minutes. After that, you can now stand up and do as if you have regained yourself, alright? Then after that, then you head over to Chrome browser. Click on Chrome browser, click on search here, then you write black screen white chicken. Black screen white chicken. Then you can see I am writing mine. After writing it now, you can now click on search, alright? After writing it, you can see I'm writing. After writing it, click on search now and allow it to search. Allow it. Now it has searched out. Click on this very first one. That is what I use. Click on it and wait for some few seconds. Then this interface will come out. Then you click save in photos. Save in photo. Save in photos. Click it. Now it has installed in your gallery. Then you can minimize it and go back. Now you head over to CapCut. CapCut, new project. Import your video to workspace now. Click on your video, go and look for volume now. Click on volume, reduce it to 0. Mark on this good and go back. We want to mark out our empty space. Click on it and make a split. Then you go and look for overlay. Overlay, click on overlay. Click on it and drag it to the front. Click on the empty space, go and look for freeze. Look for freeze, click on freeze. Click and drag. Drag it. At the end now you come back. Click on the video and trim to where you want your own to start. I will trim mine. I will click it and bring it to the beginning again. Then I will click on the video now to locate remove BG. Click on remove BG now. Auto removal. Allow it to remove completely, okay? It's removing now. Allow it to remove completely. Like, comment and share this video so that YouTube will recommend it to other subscribers out there, okay? Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. Locate your notification bell so that YouTube will always notify you whenever we drop our amazing tutorials. If you have found value in this video, why not give us thumbs up? We are still on removing background, alright? So allow it to remove completely. You can see it's removing, okay? Just calm down. Now it has removed completely. Mark on that good and go back. So at this point now, locate where you bend your head. Go and locate that place where you bend your head. Immediately you bend your head, you click on the video and make a split. Make a split now. Drag this second part. Drag it to the front. Come back and click on this one and go and look for freeze now. Look for freeze, okay? Look for freeze, guys. As you locate freeze, click on freeze now. As you click freeze now, then you mark it. We want to drag it, all right? You adjust it a little. Look at what I'm going to be doing. You adjust it a little. After that now, you come and click it. Then you go and look for mask. Look for mask, guys. Locate mask, all right? Click mask now. Horizontal, all right? Click horizontal. Turn the line now. You cut out your head as you want it to be. Then you adjust it. After adjusting it, you mark on that good and go back right now. After adjusting it, mark on that good and go back. If you have gotten what you want, mark on the good. So this point, look on duplicate the video, click on it and drag it under this one. Now we have 3 layers, all right? Click on the 3rd layer now. Go and look for mask again. Locate mask, guys. Look for click on mask now. Click on invert. You review the full body, all right? After that, you come to the 2nd layer. Click on that 2nd one now. Go and look for keyframe. Click on keyframe. Come to the middle. You click on keyframe again, all right? After clicking it now, go and look for transform. We want to make the head rotate. Click on transform now. Then you click on rotate. Click on rotate now, guys. Click on rotate. Look at that, your head down here. Look at it. So what we want to be doing here now is that you will use your hand to push this hair up, this half head. Push it up to align with this one, all right? Immediately you align it now. Look at the result, okay? Look at the result, all right? After this part now, after you play it and see that there is no error, you click on overlay. Let us import our chicken, all right? Click on overlay now. Then you import your chicken, the chicken you want to put inside this hair. After you watch it and see that there is no error, you can see I'm watching it over and over again to know whether there is mistake. After there is no mistake, you click on that overlay and click on photos now. Then import your chicken, all right? This is the chicken. You can see the chicken is facing the other side, but don't worry, we'll know what we'll do about it. But click here and drag it to align with this your layers, all right? After aligning it now, you click on splice, click on filter. You can see the chicken now. But if you look at it, you will see that my own is fancy. It is because of where I shoot my video, right? You can see the place I shoot my video, the gate and all that. That is why the chicken is looking fancy. Now click on it and look for transform, right? Click on transform again, click on mirror. You can see the chicken is facing this other side now again. So what we are going to do now is that we are going to crumple the chicken. Crumple it, all right? Crumple it. After crumpling it, you put it behind that your ear. Look at where I'm placing my own. Behind your ear, all right? So after you place it there now, the next thing is to click on keyframe. After you click on the video, you click on keyframe. We want to make the chicken move now, all right? Follow it step by step. Click there, click on keyframe. Let's make the chicken move, all right? So click on keyframe now. Then you start adjusting it. Then as you are adjusting the chicken layer, you are adjusting the chicken itself. Look at it. So as you are adjusting it, make it align inside that your hair, sorry, make it align inside that your head. Then you make it move. Look at what I am doing. Follow the same process and you are going to get the same result. Watch the video very well so that you will not make mistake. So as you are moving the video or the chicken layer, then you are moving the chicken, the key will be adding automatically. Look at what I am doing. Take your time here so that you will not make mistake. Take your time, all right? Take your time, do your own, gradually. You can see what I am doing, all right? You are moving the video, you are moving the chicken, all right? Look at what I am doing. I am taking my time because I want the move of the chicken to be smooth. I don't want it to be anyhow. That is why you see I'm taking all this time. Do your own the same way. Take your time, all the time you can take here, so that the move of the chicken will be smooth, all right? You are moving it, you are moving the chicken. Look at what I am doing. Follow the same process, follow the same line, all right? And you are going to get the same result. Yes, we are still moving the chicken. So when you get here, the reason I stopped here is because I don't just want the chicken to just disappear like that. You can see, I will move the chicken out now. Then you drag it down at this point, all right? You drag the chicken down, you place it on top of anywhere. Look at, I placed my own on top of that staircase there, so that at least as the video is showing, the chicken at least, okay? So at the end of doing it now, you play it to see whether it's smooth, whether the move of the chicken is okay. If after playing it and you see it's okay, then we are going to be hiding the chicken now. The next thing we are going to do is click on this chicken layer now. When you click on this chicken layer, after playing it and see it's okay, click on that chicken layer. You go and look for layer, all right? Look for layer. Go and look for layer. Let's hide the chicken so that the move will be better, it will be smooth. Click on layer. Look at back there. Click on back. Look at the chicken has come to number 1. Let's play it now and see how the move is, all right? Play it. Oh, you can see now. Very nice and very okay. Look at the move. Good. So this is good. At this point, I think and I believe that this video is ready. What we want to be doing is to drag this very one we moved that time, so that when you get here, your head will close again. Look at it. So at this point, this video is ready. All right, play it from the beginning. As you are playing it from the beginning now, you are identifying your errors, your mistakes, and you are correcting them. But after playing it, you see that there is no error, there is no mistake, then the video is ready. Okay, what will be remaining is to cut out the unwanted part. I think that this video, the way it played now, is okay. So want to cut out the unwanted part, you click on this one, make a split, click on this one, make a split, delete that one, delete this one as well. All right, we don't need them again. At this point, this video is ready. What will be remaining here now is for you to add all your effects, sound effects, light effects, write-ups, colors, as the case may be. But maybe you are saying, I don't know how to add them, I want you to put me through. Don't worry, my number is at the description of this video. Go there and DM me, then I will put you through on how to add all your effects. Then after that, you can now export your video. But there is another thing, another information you need to know about this video. Remember, you use auto remove BG, which is a pro features. If you try to export this video now, you cannot be able to export it because you are not a pro member. But don't worry, we have got you covered. In one of my videos there, I've recorded on how to use CapCut Pro features for free. What you need to do is just go and watch that video, and after that you will now know how you can export this your video with ease. All right, after then you can now export this your video, then share it to your social media handles. Like, comment and share this video so that YouTube will recommend it to other subscribers out there. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. Locate your notification bells so that YouTube will always notify you whenever we drop our amazing tutorials. Okay, thanks for watching. Stay safe.